What we need, it's a pair of clean scissors, and let's start with the checking our plant. We are trying to remove leggy, unstable stems and branches. Look at this one, it's tall, beautiful, but it's not stable, and kind of right now is broken. So let's remove it, and we will keep it for next step. We want to take cuts. Let's go and check all of the branches. We will remove all of those that they are not in a direction. Make this plant in two sections, bushy, one taller and one more bushier that going sideways. To take cuts, you need to remove all small tiny branches that they cannot provide support. Especially in summer, we want to move these plant outdoor, and there will be windy days and rainy days, and we want to keep strong stems. And we'll remove as much as possible. And you can see here at the top also we will remove a few leaves because we want to make and encourage the buds to start to make it bushy. That's a side part, and you can see this side part will be it will go sideways and bushy, and we have also top side that we will grow many new leaves and branches. So